Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google AdSense for YouTube affiliate strategy downloads, full guide step by step clearly. To download Google AdSense for your YouTube affiliate strategy, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in Google AdSense into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Google AdSense link that appears in the search results. Once on the AdSense homepage, locate the Sign Up Now button. Click the Sign Up Now button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, fill out the necessary information such as your website URL and account details. Review the AdSense program policies and terms of service. Make sure to check the box indicating your agreement. Submit your application for Google AdSense. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. Once approved, return to the AdSense homepage and sign in again. Navigate to the Ads section of your AdSense account. Here, you can set up your ad units by following the prompts. Choose the ad formats that best suit your YouTube strategy. After configuring your ad units, copy the generated ad code. Now, open YouTube and sign in to your channel. Head to the YouTube Studio and click on the Monetization menu. Ensure your channel meets the eligibility requirements for monetization. If eligible, click on Apply Now to begin the monetization setup for your videos. Follow the prompts to connect your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Paste in the ad code you copied earlier when prompted. Once everything is set up, create your video content with affiliate links in the descriptions. Monitor your performance through the YouTube Analytics and AdSense dashboard. This way, you can track your earnings and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now you are ready to optimize your YouTube affiliate strategy with Google AdSense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.